I am Mahfuzur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we will discuss a very interesting topic. Okay, so today's our interesting topic is network topology. We will discuss today. And network topology, what is network topology? A computer network is a collection of two or more computers which are connected together to share information and resources. That's why we use network topology. Basically, we collect and we use computer for everyday purpose to sharing our information and resources to anyone else. Now, topology refers to the layout of a connected device on a network. Basically, that of a topology refers. Here some logical layout of our topology: mesh, star, bus, ring, tree and hybrid. These are the topology what we have in our books for the study, but today I will not discuss all of this topic. I will discuss some topic from this topology, star topology first. A star network is designed with each node like file server, workstation, peripheral connected devices that are connected directly to a central network or hub or a server. Basically, what we have found here from in a star topology, we have an central file server or a workstation, which one is connected directly to a central network or hub or a server so that everyone can have the connection. So this one, now we have a pictorial description of star topology. Here you see this one is the hub, or we can put here a server. So this server will connect every PCs and the peripheral devices like printer, computer, laptop and any other devices can be connected together with this hub or central server so that this star topology will form. You see this one is also, you will like this topology shape is like star shape, so we also call it star topology. Now we have some advantages of a star topology: less expensive than mesh since each device is connected only to the hub. Basically, hub will be the expensive thing you have to buy or you have to install with your star topology. Installation and configuration are easy. Less cabling is needed than mesh topology. Robustness, basically if one links fail, only that links is affected, all other links will remain active. Basically it will not affect the other networks. Easy to fault identification, to remove parts, and basically you can identify which device is faulty or which device are not working perfectly. You can remove those device also. No disruptions to the network then connecting or removing devices. Basically when you are adding a new device to your network or connecting a new device to your network, or you will remove a device from your network, that will not cause any disruption to others in that network or topology if we use like star topology. So now we will have advantages of a star topology also. Now we will get star topologies disadvantages. What we will have in disadvantages? In disadvantages, even it requires less cabling than mesh. When compared with other topologies, it is still large like ring or bus. Rather than ring or bus, star topology needs more cabling here. Dependency, whole network dependent on one single point. Basically in dependency we have issues in star topology. Basically the connected all computers, laptop, mobile phones or any other network are connected in star topology. All the devices are dependent in one single point. When it goes down, the whole system is dead. This one is the main disadvantages what we have in star topology. Now we have in applications where we can use these star topologies. Star topologies are used in local area network like LAN. High-speed LAN often used as a star. High-speed LAN, basically LAN means local area network. You already know it. In local area network we can use star topology. In high-speed local area network like broadband connection we use at our home, office or any other else. In T topology, what we have alternatively referred to as a star bus topology. Tree topology is one of the most common network setups that is similar to a bus topology and a star topology. A tree topology connects multiple star networks to other star networks. Below is a visual example of a simple concept of a simple computer setup on a network using a star topology. We will see at our pictorial description when we will see the picture. Now furthermore details of tree topology, and we have a picture of it. Tree topology, it has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology, tree topology. You see here this one, the main black, this stand, it's called the node, main node, root node. This root node is basically connects all the other nodes like this one and this one. These two sub connections are connected with this main root node. Basically this, it forms the tree topology. The root node is this one and other connections are connected with this root network by this root node. We will see advantages of tree topology. It's an extension of bus and star topology. Expansion of node is possible and easily managed and maintained. We can easily manage our tree topology network and maintain the whole network also. Basically you have to conscious on your root node only. Any other sub network is problem, then it's not going to have problem for others. Only those node will be affected, others node will remain okay and fine. Disadvantages of tree topology: heavily cabled. Basically lot of cables are needed in this topology. Costly also. Basically you have to create a root node and you have to divide it with a lot of sub node wherever you need, because that's why you have to use more cables and make it a low, you can't even think of in a low cost, its cost will be higher. If more nodes are added and the added maintenance is difficult. Basically if you add lots of node at your central node, then your maintenance cost and your maintenance environment will be more difficult to find out the fault, which node is affected by any other problems. Central hub fails, then network will fails. Basically central hub means the central node what we have. Basically if this central node stop working, then the full network will be disrupted by central connection. So this is the main disadvantages of tree topology. I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing: please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.